Customization. We're going to start off with customizing ChatGPT. Now, I am using ChatGPT as my model here. There are other ones out there. There's, Claude, Grok, Gemini, blanking on Microsoft's one, Copilot. There are other models out there. I'm going to stick with ChatGPT. That is the one that we have paid for our entire team to use. I do use Claude. I have experimented with Gemini, but I'm going to talk ChatGPT right now. And when we get into security, I'll go into a little bit on some of the other models as well. But in this model, ChatGPT, let's talk about customization. So the first step in customization is customizing. This is like basic. Everybody can do this. Everybody should do this. Customize your ChatGPT to yourself. So if you go into ChatGPT and you go down here and you go to customize GPT, all you're going to say is there's a drop down here for the type of personality that you want it to have. And you can also add additional traits here. And then if you want to customize it with a little bit about you, this is just going to be, this customization is going to be across all of your future conversations. And it's going to influence the way that ChatGPT talks to you. I will warn you, be careful what you put in here, because I said that I like dad jokes, and ChatGPT, especially since the upgrade to ChatGPT 5, has been beating me over the head with dad jokes. It feels the need to throw dad jokes in every single sentence. So I actually removed that from my customization. I'm like, okay, so this is how my kids feel. I am so sorry. And I removed that trait from customized GPT because it was like beating a dead horse with the dad jokes. It wasn't telling dad jokes. It was just saying, I'm going to give you an answer and it's going to have a hint of dad humor. And I'm like, that's like telling me you're funny without actually being funny. So that's customizing your GPT. The next one I wanted to show you, if you've ever been talking to ChatGPT and you see this little thing pop up before it produces the results, updating saved memory, this is a record of all the conversations that ChatGPT has tried to say, this is important, this is something I want to keep in mind. So it's actually trying to learn who you are the more that you talk to it. And if you ever have a question about that, if you're ever getting weird results from that, you want to go to your settings and then you want to go to personalization and you want to click on manage memories. This is going to pull up everything that it's said, this is important, I want to remember this. Now, unfortunately, you can't edit these memories here, but you can remove them. And so if you're getting something that's a weird result, you're going to want to come in here and you're going to want to delete something that you're like, it shouldn't have memorized that. You can, tangentially edit those by just saying, add this to your memory and put something in there. Add this to your memory. I want to go to Ireland within the next 3 years. And then it's going to store that in memory and it's going to move forward with that across all of your threads that you've got. So that's customization. That's at the user level. That really just influences what ChatGPT knows about you in the conversations that you're having.